Hi everyone, welcome to Gabby's Makeup Corner. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do like a cutesy little makeup look for yourself. And anyways, first tour of the makeup studio. Here's the makeup studio. Okay, pause this role play. Guys, just ignore I did not decorate this part. I'm not the decorate the downstairs and empty too. So anyways. Here's my makeup area. There's two makeup chairs cause I have like two like K-pop group members that I have two like people. I have one other person who like is in this like little pop group that I have. But anyways, here's like my rehearsal stage. Oops. Why did Bobby take home the second mic? Oh my god. Why did you take up home the second mics? Now I know. Now I cannot even like practice. Oh God. Anyways, let's just move on. And here's a little dressing room. So there's just like 4 rooms, but there's only 3 rooms, but it's okay. Let me just go and wash all this makeup off my face so I can show you. Okay, guys. Anyways, everyone, I'm back, so I can like do the makeup. Why is this palette open? Oh my god. Did Isla open the palettes again? Oh my god, let me just put the palettes back. This is outrageous, but anyways, let me just go ahead and show you how to do it. So first, we need our headband. Skincare headband to put our hair back. Let me just take off my bow and my little flower. Put them on the stage just for now. Okay, there. Now we have our full face to put makeup on. Now, my hair is already brushed, so I don't need to do that. But if you have like really messy hair, definitely brush your hair. And then first, we put some contour on. Where's contour? Oh, there's no like. First, you put on some powder, face powder. I need to find one that's for brown for black skin. Here's a black one. So now you gotta put it all over your face. Okay, there. And then you take another brush in here in your little makeup tank, and you take this type of brush. Then you take this makeup palette, and you do like the really lightest amount of the second lightest color in your makeup palette. It has to be the blue one, so otherwise it won't work. So I took the second lightest, put like a little dot near my eyes, like there, and then I go spread it with my fingers. There. Now, with this DIY one, which I made by myself, you take the brush that I came with, and you take the pink one, and then you put it there as well. Perfect. I just need to put all these powders back. Oh my god. Now, here's lipstick. Where's the red one? Here's the red one. And you spread it on your lips and then there. Yummy. I don't know why, but it tastes so good for some reason. These are just the skincare ones, so I just don't mind. This is not skincare though, it's like little face cream. There. You put the green face cream on your face, and you take your Salty Gennaro spray and spray yourself with Salty Gennaro. And here, and then you spray yourself with a little perfume. now all my makeup's done, and that's the end of the tutorial. So anyways, bye guys. I hope you, no wait, I just put on my things. Anyways, bye everyone. I hope you enjoy.